Welcome to my functional anatomy course. This course is meant for Pilates instructors or yoga instructors or really anyone who is interested in learning human movement. It is kinesiology that I'll be teaching, the study of movement, not so much anatomy. Before you start watching the lectures, please purchase these two books, Anatomy of Movement by Blandine Calais-Germain and Muscles, Testing and Function by Florence Kendall. This is a very old book, but it's amazing. It has wonderful photographs and different kinds of diagrams and charts that are really awesome referral as a reference book for the rest of your life. I look at it all the time still. And this one is a wonderful artistic anatomy book that I think it makes it easy to understand the anatomy. It's a very famous book. It's been around for a long time. So most of the course is based on this book. This is the most important book to get. You can get this one first if you want. There's quizzes that you can download and print. Every chapter has a quiz. There's a couple combined chapters for some of the quizzes, but in general, while you're doing your reading, fill the quizzes out. All the answers are in this book. There is one quiz that the posture chapter that is coming from this book, but we're going to go through this whole book. Please complete the quizzes, or at least complete the quiz before you watch the lecture that goes with the quiz, so you can have it in front of you and maybe take some notes. I think it will help with your learning if you complete the quiz first. And I'm going to be going over the quizzes in the lectures, and they're going to be jumping off points for the lectures. I'm also going to be going over like my basic background. I've been teaching Pilates for over 30 years. So I'm going to be giving you a lot of my experience of how I deal with clients when we get to certain topics. I'll be talking about common conditions and complaints you'll get from clients and common ways that you can help your clients. But this is just the beginning of a complete Pilates course. I'm going to go through Pilates mat and each piece of the Pilates equipment. And I'm going to be reiterating the anatomy over and over again. So this is really just meant to be an introductory course. I'm going to get much deeper when we start actually doing exercises. And I like people to have this background before, so at least you have the right vocabulary. So when I start talking deeper about anatomy while we're doing exercises, you'll have an idea of what I'm talking about. So just remember, this is an introductory course. You're not expected to know anything, but please do your readings and quizzes before watching the lectures.